This is my 2011 Verde Radia. These are the stock bars. I painted them white. Just an animal sticker. Stock stems, stock forks. The stock tires would be We the People grip-in tires. Stock rims, McNeil. Valve caps. Animal butcher pegs with the sleeves. I don't know if you can see them, but Shadow Conspiracy front and back hub guards. And Edwin Del Rosso grips with the Troy Lee design ODI lock-on bar ends on each side. Stock duo pedals are pretty good. Stock cranks. I got a Primo sprocket with a mechanic half-link chain. Stock back rim. We the People in the back. We the People grip and tire in the back. McNeil valve caps. I got same Shadow Conspiracy back hub with Animal Butcher pegs in the back. Duo seat. Stock rims or cinema rims they come with. Stock hubs. Sorry, I haven't been putting in any of the edits because I have broken collarbone. I'm out right now. But I'm hoping to when I put a gyro on with some new bars, hopefully new pedals probably too. But yeah, get this bike. It's a nice bike when it comes stock, and it's really light. Alright, that's my 2011 Verde Radia.